Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account in the Hevy app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here we just tap on sign up with Google. Then we will be able to select the email address with which we want to sign up. Now we have to add a username. Let's say like this. Then we accept the terms and conditions like this. Here we tap on continue, and here we can set the units like this, and that's basically it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe.